In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Payhip store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to give your store a fresh new look, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. To get started, you'll want to be on your Payhip dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage your products, sales, and store settings. So if you're not already there, go ahead and log in. Once you're on the Payhip homepage, look for the tab that says Store and click on it. This is where you'll find all the options for personalizing your store to make it truly unique. Now that you've clicked on Store, you should see an option that says Launch Your Store Builder. This is the tool that will allow you to customize the appearance and layout of your store. Clicking on this will open up a new interface where you can start making changes. The Store Builder is quite user-friendly, with drag and drop functionalities that make it easy to rearrange elements and see changes in real time. As you begin customizing, you might want to start with the basics, like adjusting your store's colors and fonts to align with your brand's identity. Consistency in colors and typography can significantly impact how professional your store appears. It's a good idea to choose a color scheme that reflects the mood you want to convey and fonts that are easy to read. Once your colors and fonts are set, you can move on to organizing your product layout. Consider how you want your products to be showcased. Do you want some items to stand out more than others? Payhip allows you to highlight certain products, so take advantage of this feature to draw attention to your best sellers or new arrivals. Next, you can add banners or images to your store. These visual elements can be used to promote sales, new products, or simply to enhance the aesthetic of your store. Be sure to use high-quality images here as they can make a significant difference in how your store is perceived by potential customers. Additionally, don't forget to customize your store's navigation. A well-organized menu can help visitors find what they're looking for quickly, improving their overall shopping experience. Finally, take some time to preview your changes. The Store Builder allows you to see how your store will look on both desktop and mobile devices, ensuring that it provides a seamless experience for all users. Take a moment to click through your store as if you were a customer. This can help you identify any areas that might need improvement or adjustments before you go live. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Payhip store. Remember, the key to a successful online store is not just in its products, but also in how those products are presented. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an engaging and aesthetically pleasing shopping experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing!